Okay, we're back from vacation. We're back to reality. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you probably know that I did went on vacation for my birthday. It was amazing. I went to Los Cabos, but today we're back on track. And today we're starting with Shopmissa Aoa. And you guys love affordable products. You guys love cheap stuff, just like myself, because why not, right? Let me just show you how much stuff they have launched since I don't know when. It's a lot of stuff. So today I'm just basically gonna show you like a mini haul of everything that I got, everything that I received actually, because they did send it to me. Thank you so much, Shopmissa Aoa. If you're even watching this, I truly appreciate this stuff, and you guys, because of you I get this stuff, so thank you. Hello. Also, you guys, we're so close. We're only 5,000 away from hitting 50K. Please share my videos, please share my channel. If you guys enjoy me, if you guys love what I do, please just share it with your friends, family, your dogs, whatever you want to share it with. Just share it, help your girl out. We're gonna have very huge giveaway that is gonna consist of a lot of high-end makeup. You guys deserve it. You guys are my saucy babes. I am so excited for that name. We upgraded you guys to Saucy Fam. Yes, honey, we saucy up in here. For today, we're gonna do something super simple, maybe like a glossy, orangey, peachy tone. The other things that I have here is also this magnetic palette that they did launch as well. This do come empty in case you guys need extra magnetic palette. This is how they come. They're super pretty, super small, very convenient for traveling, and they're super affordable. So yeah, this is just like a normal regular magnetic palette. I have two of them. Also have a whole bunch of eyeshadows, you guys. New eyeshadow that they just released, and these are the A20, which you guys know they have like a new line basically. These are the A20 pressed eyeshadows. It's super cute. When you take it out of the packaging, this is how it looks right here. Let's just swatch this one to see. So this shade is called Limits. So that is how it's swatched right there. Well, very sheer, definitely. But then again, what do you expect for $1? I don't know, how much are you expecting? I think this is a fair quality for $1. So I got a total of 18 shades right here, and I'm just gonna show you guys quickly how all of them look. Smitten, Terracotta, Allure, Midnight, Swoon, Sensation, Cozy, Polished, Rich, Crown, Ruffle, Reef, Exotic, Jungle, Adorbs, Starlet. Okay, you guys, so I ended up putting some of my favorite ones right here on this little palette that says I'm a Beach. So we got 6 of their highlighters. Let me show you guys quickly how they look. Oh my, this is their packaging, by the way. This is the shade Blissful. This is the shade Desire. This is the shade Love Lost. This shade looks so pretty. It's called Sunstone. Ooh, it's so bronzy and pretty. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna use this one. Ooh. This is the shade Amore. This is another pretty shade, you guys, and it's in the color Allure. We also got a lot of blushes, but there are just too many for me to swatch right now. I just want to really get started onto the makeup look so you guys can see. But they do also have blushes, and they look similar to the highlighter. They have sheen to it, so it's gonna be like super glowy, I suppose. They also sent over, you guys, 3 other setting powders. I believe this is the only colors that they have, which is Translucent, Soft Light, and the shade Banana. I remember that I did buy these, and I didn't like one of them. I don't remember which one I bought. I think it was a translucent powder. It has like some kind of like glitter in it. I remember the Banana one. It was super yellow, so I didn't like. And then we have a Soft Light, which is the one I probably will be using. And then, you guys, we have some metallic eyeliners, which I don't know, I've never been really into metallic eyeliners, but here are all of the ones that I have. But let me just show you the last things. These are the 2 foundations that I have. You have like this BB cream. They're not foundation, you guys, they're BB cream. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with the eyes, then we're gonna go with the face. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with this shade right here, which is Adorbs. I'm gonna be applying that on the crease of my eyelids. It's basically like an overall transition shade. This is what's going to help set my concealer as well. I did went ahead and prep the eyes first. So again, I'm just applying that on the crease Oh, actually, you guys, I really wanted to start with a highlighter on my brow bone first. So one of the main reasons why I'm doing this right now, you guys, is because usually when I do it last, I feel like sometimes I mess up the blending section that is going on my crease. For you guys, definitely loving this highlighter. You guys, this shade is so pretty, so I'm just reapplying it over and over till I get the intensity. So next I'm gonna go with this shade, which is, this is a terracotta, and I'm just gonna be applying that on the outer and on my lower crease just to create some more depth. And I'm using the Carity E30 brush. They sent me some of their stuff, and I think I'm gonna be doing a tutorial because they have so many pretty stuff still. So again, you guys, I'm just applying that on the outer parts of the eyelids and then just bringing it onto the crease. And I'm gonna continue to reapply that. So I'm just gonna go back with the shade Dorbs. Like, I'm fluffing out the shadow a little bit more because I wanted to expand a little bit above the crease. Next, you guys, I'm gonna use this shade right here, Rich, and I'm just gonna be applying that on the outer corners of the eyes, just a little tiny bit. I just want to create a little bit of more depth, like just slightly, you guys. I'm not applying so much. They blend so well, you guys. I'm just gonna go back to terracotta, dusting it right above the Rich shade that we just applied, because I still want that terracotta shade to show. Next, you guys, we're gonna go in with this shade right here, and this is in the shade Smitten. I'm gonna start applying this right. Whoa. So I'm basically focusing this more in the center, and then I'm just gonna go back to the terracotta shade and just blend in those edges. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit more because I want it a little bit closer to the crease. I'm also gonna apply a little bit of this mitten on the tear ducts. I actually went ahead and did my other eyes. Now I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Starlit, and I'm gonna be applying this shade on the middle of the eyes. Ooh. And I'm also gonna be applying that on the tear duct right here, just a little tiny bit. So we're pretty much, you guys, almost done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and now apply some lashes. I don't know if I should apply, like, I don't want to do any wings because I don't feel like in the summer we have that time to do like wings. These lashes are so overly used, they can barely go far anymore. Like, oh my god, they're done with me. Okay, but I definitely love these lashes, you guys. They're so pretty. This is more like my everyday type of lashes because they just so like flirty, and they just cute, long, but not too much, like my type of lashes. Okay, so moving on, you guys, now we're gonna go onto the face to then finish the eyes, of course. First, we're starting with definitely some primer. I love these ones. These are from CoverGirl, and they are my two favorite. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Illuminating Primer by them. My skin looks so glowy, and I like freaking love it. And then I'm gonna put their Skin Smoothing Primer. And I like to use just a little tiny bit of this because I don't feel like I need too much. Not to brag or anything, but my skin is eye, you know? Okay, so now we're ready for our AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. I got the shade Rich and Medium. So I'm gonna mix this two because one is too light and the other one is too dark. And I'm actually gonna use this brush from It Cosmetics, and it's the number 7 brush, and this is the all over brush. Ooh, yes. It actually does has a very nice coverage, you guys. Whoa. Yeah, it has a very nice coverage. I'm so surprised right now. I haven't used this in a while, so now I'm like, whoa, I'm shocked. Oh, look at that. It has a very nice coverage, like it evens out your skin tone, which I really like, and it looks really pretty. Okay, I totally forgot this was okay. Alright. For BB cream and for the price, honey, you're not losing anything right now. So I definitely do not have a concealer from them. I'm not sure why, because they do have concealer. I don't know why I haven't gotten one, but I'm gonna be using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, which I still haven't really used. I bought it because I was like, hey, let me just get it to see what the hype is all about. And I think I got a shade way too light. This is like my winter shade, literally. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Holy, this is way too light. Like, I might look like a clown today. And I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend this out. Let's see how crazy I'm gonna look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Something always has to go wrong when I'm doing my makeup, seriously, always. Okay, you guys, so now that it's all blended out, it looks okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the powder, which I know you guys are excited to see that. So I'm gonna use the shade Soft Light. I'm gonna take a little bit off. I really don't like over powdering my face, so this definitely brightened the under eyes. I definitely love how it's setting right now. This looks very smooth, actually. It looks really good, you guys. Really good. Look at that. Matte. Okay, you guys, the powder I definitely recommend. It's really good this soft light one. Oh my god, yes, give it to me. This is really, really nice. And I'm gonna be taking this blush to blush a little bit on my cheeks. That makes sense, blush a little bit on my cheeks. I'm using this Morphe M527. Apply the blush. I feel like I'm applying a highlight. I don't think I'm digging this blush like that, no. So it has like too much shimmer. In my case, I don't like it. They're like just illuminating. No, not for me. I would definitely rather something completely matte, but if you guys are into those type of blushes, this is definitely very, very pretty. Okay, you guys, so I did get a bronzer. I'm using the number 7 bronzer. It's one of my favorite one, and it looks like this, super, super pretty in the shade Caramel. And I'm using one of my fancy Morphe brushes to apply this contour. And I'm just literally applying a little tiny bit, you guys. I don't want too much. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the eyes. I'm starting with the lightest peachy shade right here. I'm just gonna smudge this right on my lower lash. Next, I'm taking a little bit of the darker shade right here. This one, Terracotta. And I'm gonna be applying that very close to the lash line. Loving it, loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this Tarte setting spray because I do not have one from Shopmissa. So good, you guys. That spray is like probably my best spray ever. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this Sunstone highlighter from Shopmissa as well. My favorite brush ever. Gonna pick up some and shower in it. Oh, you guys, it's so nice and smooth. Like, you could pile it on and look how it looks. Whoa, give it to me, honey. Okay, you guys, so for the lips, I'm actually using this color right here because I've been dying to use it. It's by CoverGirl in the shade Beige. Gonna lip line first. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this liquid lipstick. The color is so pretty. I've never seen something like this, so whew, I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. Well, my love, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love how it turned out. I love peachy, orangey tone. This is just like my favorite thing to do. And I really wanted to show you some super summery, glowy kind of look. And it turned out so cute. I hope you guys loved it too as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see next. Please subscribe. We're almost at 50K. Only 5,000 away. Share this video if you guys love what I do. But till next time, I'll see you, saucy babes. Okay.